What up, y'all? It's your homeboy Justin. We're back here with another hair tutorial. Dreadlock tutorial up in this business. But today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm actually taking some hair inspiration and kind of flipping it to make it into my own thing. If y'all follow Keke Palmer, she just dropped her new video for the song Enemies featuring Jeremih. If y'all haven't listened to it or watched it, check it out like right now. Like pause the video, go listen to it because the track is hot, okay? And then come back here. But anyway, the hairstyle she's got in there, I was really vibing it. I was really liking it. So I'm gonna try and use her hairstyle and just bring it into a more masculine male version of it. I don't know, we'll see what we can do. But anyway, this is just this is my take on Keke Palmer's hairstyle from Enemies. So if y'all see, so y'all watch the video, right? So you know she's got this interesting, like, it almost looks alien, like it's so interesting. But I like what she's kind of going with the video. I also like the choreo, like it's very Janet and Michael from like the 90s, like remember the time? Do you remember the time? Like that kind of stuff during the dance break when they do that stuff, that's what it kind of reminds me of, like the vibe of the song and the video and all that. So if you know, she's got these two little things in the front. I think I'm actually gonna keep that. So I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take two locks from the front, and all her hair is really sleek, or what is her hair and what's extensions, but y'all know it's all effects and stuff. Y'all know ain't nothing real in the world. What I'm gonna do is I got this mixture of water, Jamaican black castor oil, and coconut oil. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take this and I'm just gonna do some twists and then just use a little rubber band. Secure it kind of sort of however you want to do it. And just do that for both sides. I'm twisting this side clockwise so that way they'll be facing the opposite direction, so it'll kind of frame my face a little bit better and whatnot. And if you don't want to do this step, that's cool too. You know, do what you want to do. Your hair, wear how you want. All right, now if y'all notice in the middle of the video, I'm gonna take these and I don't know what I'm gonna do with them for now. I just need to clip them out my face. Okay, we're gonna take these two, right, chill, watch. And we're just gonna twist them together and then roll them onto each other. So really it's just gonna be a very wavy, whatever this thing is gonna turn out. Bam, all right, out of my face. All right, now in the middle, she's got this Mohawk thing, right? So I've already cut my hair, gave myself a fade. So, and hey, if you guys want to see how I cut my hair, let me know in the description box. You know, give this video a thumbs up if you want me to do like my hair cutting, you know, what I do and how I do all that. So she's got this like braided thing in the middle. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna probably come from the, well, not like all the way to the edge of my part of my hair. We're gonna come a little bit to the middle, and then we'll probably just do the same on this side. So we're just gonna take the middle of my hair and just go straight to like the top of the crown of my hair, because that's where it stops in the video for her. So we're just gonna do this much, and we're just gonna leave this out of the way for now, because what we're gonna do right now is the side things, and this is where I'm gonna take it and make it a little bit different from her, you know. So we got this right here. Now what I'm gonna do in the middle is I'm just gonna cornrow the hair. So I got a cool little, you know, big braid going to the back, but on the sides, what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to flat twist towards the middle of my head. So on this side, I'm a flat twist clockwise. On this side, I'll flat twist counterclockwise, and then I'll do all of that. So we're just gonna take the hair, and really all you're doing is just rolling your locks against, you're just twisting your locks against the scalp. So you're doing that. All right, so flat twist one side, tie it up with a rubber band, or if you want to, take a lock and just wrap it around the end and then use a rubber band to secure it. That kind of helps it stay better. But again, I don't know what we're doing with this look yet, so we're just gonna keep going. Now what we're gonna do in the middle, like you see in the video, she's got this kind of cool just cornrow with her hair down the back. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do 2, so that way it doesn't get too big with all my locks, and we'll just wrap everything together at the end, and that's what we'll do. So we'll just do the right side first. So you get your lock of what you're gonna do. I think we'll make these 2 the center one. And we'll just go from there. Let's see. Okay, now once you get to the end, just get your rubber band, secure that part by your hair. There we go. All right, cool. We good. I was having issues. All right, and then you're just gonna do the same thing to the other side. Same thing, same exact thing. Alright, same thing. Once you get done, put a band on there. If you like things, you should put a band on it. Alright. So, got the 2 cornrows down the middle. We got the Flattwist on each side. Now, what we're gonna do now is that I'm going to band all of this together, probably just using a large rubber band, and then I'm gonna do some 2-strand twists to braid on top of that rubber band, so that way we can have a nice kind of clean, just a clean finish on top of the rubber band and put it all together. So yeah, so we've got these 2 things and this and that. And now the next part, we're just gonna take hair from the ends of each side, do the 2-strand twist, and just use it to kind of wrap around and decorate it. And so I'll probably do 2 to 3 2-strand twists on each side, just using the locks that are right beneath the hair that I've bundled together. So let me do that real quick. But yeah, after you get done with your 3 2-strand twists on one side, obviously, go to the other side. Or if you don't want to do this step, you just skip it and you done so far is what I know. Because I don't know what I might add something else. This is really just styling and creating the thing as I go. So I don't know what's next. I don't know what's on the other side of the bridge or what's around the riverband. Y'all gotta ask that raccoon Nico, but he gonna tell you if you understand what I'm saying. All right, so after you've gotten your 2-strand twists on each side, what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to braid them on top of each other. So just start with the top one, go over the rubber band and kind of, let's see, where is it? Here we go. Secure it underneath it through the front so it covers it like so. And you're gonna take this next one, go over and then next to this one. So like so. And the next one, go over, secure, and braid this one. So there, they're kind of like a weaved thing to cover that and hold all here together. Now if you want to be done, you can be done. Oh wait, there's one more. Did this one fall off? Maybe I just forgot I did this one. Okay. You know what I use? Little body pin to hold this one down. Cool. There it is. All right. Now, if you want to, you can 2-strand twist the rest of the hair. I'm probably just gonna leave them like they are just because it's so little hair back there now. So that'll be it. And then for this part right here, these little curlicues, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blow dry it real quick and then I will take these down so we can speed up the process. All right, so quick blow dry. Hair is dry, so gonna take these down. Check it out. Take these, look at that. Bam! And that was maybe like 15 minutes over the course of doing the rest of the hairstyle. So that's cool. So just take off those bands, take off those rubber bands, and then pull your hair apart. Gently, depending on how much you want to keep your little curl and what you got. Oh, that's a punk ass curl right there. That's not even much of nothing. All right, well, it's all good. That's what we got to work with. All right, well, I guess this is it. This is the final look. These could have came out a lot better. And I kind of wish I didn't put them here, but they're here. Anyway, this is the final look. Quick 360, what we got here. Like I said before, you can keep these or you can put them in the braids if you want to. I might just do something with them. I don't know what at the current moment, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. Well, anyway, if you like this Keke Palmer inspired look, give me a thumbs up, like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the screen right now, okay? Click on that subscribe button. Do it, do it, do it. If you got any questions or comments, let me know in that little section below, known as the comment section. And yeah, I'm trying to post these videos up every other Monday. So I will see y'all in 2 weeks, all right? So stay blessed, you know, try to treat each other with respect, you know. Have a good one, all right? Be breezy out there, okay? Don't stress about life too much, all right? Peace.